In a world of evolving cybersecurity threats, embedded printer security features are more important than ever. These features recognize that firewalls and other basic device protections are insufficient against the latest hacker strategies and tool sets. After all, it only takes a click for malware to attack a network. And since devices like printers are generally not being monitored by security, they're a great place to hide. You may know that HP has the world's most secure printers, but it's important to understand what these embedded layered features are really doing. And it can be hard to visualize when all the action happens within the printer software. One of these features is HP Connection Inspector, a network behavior anomaly detection feature with self-healing. Hackers often inject malware that attempts to phone home to external DNS servers, gaining control of the device. HP Connection Inspector detects this unusual behavior coming from the device before the hacker can traverse the network to other devices. Now, ethically, we can't hack a competitor's device, so we are going to use two HP MFPs, one with and one without the feature. A computer monitor will help us see what's occurring inside the MFP while we watch the device itself for a reaction. Let's begin on the machine without HP Connection Inspector. The hacker will remotely inject malicious code into the device so that he can establish a foothold inside the network. You can see the malware execute on the computer screen. We see the DNS packets leaving the device, trying to connect to external servers. They cycle through different DNS host names in an attempt to connect beyond the firewall. But notice that nothing is happening on the printer. It appears to be running normally. However, the injected malware is inside the printer, going about its business with no indication that anything is happening. Not ideal. Now, let's compare what just happened to the same test on a printer with HP Connection Inspector. We'll inject the same malicious code while the device is in a ready state. Again, you see the DNS packets being sent from the device to the remote server. The difference? This time, the control panel immediately shows that an intrusion has been detected. The machine is sending a specific syslog error message, which can be set up to feed the organization's threat monitoring system. A notification is also sent from the syslog server directly to the security team's mobile phone. The HP device is rebooting and self-healing to clear the memory. It will run through a series of checks to see if the core operating software has been corrupted by the malware. Now the printer is back to the same state it was in prior to the attack. There was no disruption to users, no service call, and no need for the IT administrator to be involved. And the security team is now alerted of the attack. This ability to detect, protect, and automatically recover is unique to HP. Only HP has real-time network malware detection as a standard product feature. And only HP can automatically recover from a real-time attempt to extract data from a device to a server beyond the firewall and alert your security team. For runtime, multi-layered security protections, HP is the only choice.